Hi students, in this video we will discuss how to perform search operation. How to perform search operation in single linked list. Now let us start with what is meant by search operation. Search operation is nothing but finding or searching for a particular element. Finding or searching for a particular element in single linked list is simply called as search operation. So how to perform search operation, whether that particular element is present in single linked list or not, how to find out. Now for example, this is the single linked list. For example, for easy purpose I am taking only 3 nodes. This is the last node, null pointer, and here 8, 16, 4. 20 is the address, 40 is the address, 35 is the address. So now I am taking addresses. Here it is 40, here it is 35, and this is the last node which is null pointer. Now I want to search for an element 4. How to find out whether 4 is present or not? Now assume this node is PTR. Now this is PTR's data. So this we will represent like PTR's data, and this is the element to be searched. So we will compare PTR's data. Is it equal to element? Is it equal to element? So both are not equal. So then what shall we do? Move pointer to the next node, PTR. Now what is PTR's data? 16. Is 16 equal to 4? No. Then what shall we do? Again move pointer to the next node. 4 equal to 4. Yes, element is present. Element is present in single linked list. Like that you can find out whether the element present in the single linked list. Now suppose, take another example, example 2. So above example is the element is present in single linked list, which is called as successful search. Now in example 2, now we will search for the particular element which is not present in the list. For example, this is my single linked list. 4, 18, 16, 12, and this is last node's next pointer. Suppose here it is 100, 200, 300, 400. So now here it is 200, 300, 400, last nodes. This is single linked list. Now I want to search for the element 10. How to search for the element? Now initially pointer present at beginning of the list. So we will check whether 4 is equal to 10 or not. So 4 is not equal to 10. So then what shall we do? We will move pointer to the next node. Now we will check whether is it 18 equal to 10. So both are not equal. Move pointer to the next node. 16, is it equal to 10? No, both are not equal. Move pointer to the last node or next node. 12. Is 12 equal to 10? No, move pointer to the last node. And here what happened? Reached to end of the list. Reached to end of the list. What does it mean? We compared with all the elements present in the list and reached to last position or end of the list. What does it mean? So it means element is not present in the list. Element is not present in the list. This is called as unsuccessful search. This is called as unsuccessful search. Like that, you can perform search operation in single linked list. Hope you understand the search operation in single linked list. Thank you, students. Have a wonderful day. Bye.